Best overall, DeWalt DWE 7485 Table Saw. Good things don't have to be expensive, and that is exactly what you can expect from this table saw. It is the most affordable on our list, but that does not mean that it is the least capable. From its overall construction to its cutting accuracy, it delivers plenty of benefits, so you can expect the best bang for the buck. What makes it stand out? This model stands out because of its price. While it is an economical model, it packs plenty of innovative features. Even professionals will love how capable this table saw is. From the 3 products that we are talking about in this guide, this is also the one with the highest speed at 5,800 RPM, allowing it to deliver impressive performance even in the toughest tasks. What we like. There are plenty of things that we love in this product. More than being made by a reliable brand, we also love how it has different safety features, so you can have peace of mind. For example, it has a switch lock. You can work without fear that the blade will switch on when you are not yet ready to cut. Another exceptional safety feature is the blade guard. Slipping your finger is an accident that you do not want to happen. The blade guard will prevent such a nightmare. More so, the rack and pinion telescoping system is another notable feature. You can find it in the other 2 models that we will be talking about in this guide. This makes it easy to lock the board as it is cut, which will deliver better stability, and in turn, improved accuracy. The onboard storage system is also a plus. This way, you don't have to scatter your tools in the work area. You will be more organized, and in turn, this will have a positive impact on your productivity. Plus, it comes with a cord wrap, which will prevent the wire from getting tangled. The power of this unit is also hard to rival. It has a 15-amp motor that delivers 5,800 RPM. It is versatile enough to handle different tasks and deliver astounding results. Even for demanding users, the performance is top-notch. What we do not like. While it is an exceptional product, there are also some drawbacks. For instance, some might not like how it comes with a small working area. You might find it hard to work with larger materials. Just like the cutting area, the blade can also be quite small for some users. What are the alternatives? If you are looking for something more portable without compromising power, DeWalt DWE 7491 RS is an excellent option. The latter comes with wheels, making it easier to move around, which is great for someone who works in different places.
Best for portability, DeWalt DWE 7491 RS Table Saw. From its stability to its efficiency, there are many things that make it a notable option for the best DeWalt table saw. You can cut various materials with varying depths and be guaranteed of the best outcomes in every job. Even experienced contractors will be happy with the performance that it can deliver. What makes it stand out? This model is exceptional because of its rolling stand. This is the only product out of the 3 in this review with such a feature. You can move it around easily. If you have a large workshop, or if you work in different areas and you need a table saw that is easily movable, it is hard to go wrong with this model. What we like. Like the other 3 products that we are reviewing in this guide, it also comes with a 15-amp motor. Meanwhile, it has 4,800 RPM. It can cut different materials with ease and precision. To add, it has rack and pinion telescoping fence system. With the latter, you can make smooth and fast adjustments, while also resulting in better accuracy. There is also a rip-over fence, which will allow you to rip even narrow cuts. In terms of safety, one of the best features of this unit is the blade guard assembly. It has a clear plastic that guards the material you are about to cut. This also creates a shield, so you won't end up accidentally feeding your hand on the blade. Another safety feature is the cover of the power button switch. With this, you can prevent turning the unit on unless you are ready to start cutting. Worried about dust when you are sawing? Such should not be an issue with this unit. It has a 2.5-inch dust collection port. This way, you can connect it to your vacuum. With exceptional dust extraction, you can be more productive. What we do not like. The speed is one of the biggest drawbacks of this product. At 4,800 RPM, it is incredible. Nonetheless, for thicker materials and more demanding jobs, some contractors might end up looking for more. What are the alternatives? If you are looking for a table saw that can deliver a higher speed output and an exceptional cutting performance, then it is hard to go wrong with DeWalt DWE 7485 table saw.